Hello, friends. I'm so glad you're here today. This time, I'm sharing my favorite way to make broccoli in the air fryer. Take a whole broccoli and cut it into florets. Slice each piece in half. I just love broccoli for its gentle flavor and amazing benefits. Put the broccoli into a deep pot. Cover it with water. Add salt to your taste and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Take the broccoli out of the boiling water and let it cool a bit. Sift 100 grams of flour to make it light and smooth. Friends, tell me in the comments where you're from and how you like to cook broccoli. I'm really curious. Crack in 3 eggs. Add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Sprinkle in a little salt. Add some black pepper. Add a pinch of cumin. And a touch of smoked paprika. Mix it all together. You know, we may never meet here again. So hit subscribe now and we'll stay connected. Drop all the cooked broccoli pieces into the batter. Gently mix so the broccoli is well coated. On a plate, pour 50 grams of breadcrumbs. Add 70 grams of grated cheese. I'm using vegan cheese today. Finely chop a small bunch of parsley. Or swap in any fresh herb you love. Make sure to chop it finely. Add the parsley to the breadcrumbs and cheese. Mix everything well. Coat each broccoli piece in the breadcrumb mixture. Place it on parchment paper. Keep going until all the pieces are coated. Arrange them close together, side by side. Time to bake. Set the air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius, 355 Fahrenheit, and cook for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare a bean and yogurt mousse. Add 150 grams of yogurt to a deep bowl. Add 150 grams of cooked or canned beans. Stir the tahini paste well in the jar. Add 1 tablespoon of tahini to the bowl. Slice 2 cloves of garlic. Add them in as well. Grate a little lemon zest. From the same lemon, squeeze out about 2 tablespoons of juice. Toss in a handful of fresh herbs. I'm using cilantro today. Add salt to taste. Add a pinch of cumin. And a sprinkle of smoked paprika. Blend it all until smooth. By now the broccoli is ready. It looks perfect, just what we want. Spoon the yogurt mousse onto a plate. Spread it evenly. Arrange the broccoli on top. What a beautiful aroma. Enjoy them while still hot. To keep in touch, subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Friends, I hope you loved this recipe. Let me know in the comments if you try it in your kitchen. Share this simple and healthy recipe with your friends. Take care, my dears. See you in the next video. I'll be waiting for you in the comments.